Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. If you are new, just stopping by, don't go too soon. Definitely press that subscribe button and continue to check me out. If you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support, and definitely continue to stick around. So in this video, we did a traditional sew-in. I colored the bundles, which was from our collection. So this is a hair package install and a traditional sew-in package bundle deal. I colored the hair jet black. Her natural hair was already jet black. She had a lot, when I say a lot, of beautiful natural long hair anyway, y'all. So the blend was absolutely perfect. To make it flow a little better, you'll see that I did complete some face framing in the front. No layers really throughout because she didn't want it cut up too much. She will reuse this hair, but I did complete some face framing in the front per request from my client, which helps to give it like a nice flow to her natural hair or what her natural hair was. This is 24-inch hair. So she got 3 bundles of our 24-inch hair deep wave, which was, again, the package. So stick around for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I do have more detailed videos on how to install a sew-in. This is just like a run through so you can see the finished style, but I'll definitely leave down below in the description other detailed videos I have on my page that can really show you and teach you how I do like a braid down, how I do my sewing, my stitch method, etc. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Yo, the curls came out absolutely beautiful, y'all. And I love this black, sleek, finished look. The jet black definitely set it off. Again, she is wearing our 24-inch hair package traditional sewing service, and our hair extensions. This is human hair that she is wearing that was colored black, to match her natural hair. She again has it, and she'll be able to wear this hair for about 3+ years, depending on how she cares for it, the proper maintenance and putting it away, etc. But she did wear it for about a month and a half, 2 months. This is an old install that I'm just now uploading, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below on some other styles that you would like to see. I am a stylist in the PA area, Harrisburg, which is near Philadelphia, and I'm also in Baltimore. I'm kind of actually in the middle of in the middle of both of them. Excuse me. I complete taping extensions, silk press, quick weaves. I also complete K-tip installs, and other natural installs as well. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.